everyone. I decided to make a high fidelity prototype of the travel planning app we discussed in class. The purpose of this app is to serve as an amalgamation of travel details in a convenient place. This will hopefully simplify the process of travel planning, as users will no longer need to check multiple booking applications or websites or crawl through their emails for specific details about parts of a trip, such as flight arrival time compared to hotel check-in time. I used Fluid UI to design this prototype, and that's a free web-based designer. It has a preview function that we are in right now, where designers can view the prototype as if they were the user. Any translucent blue boxes you may see represent what has link functionality and wouldn't be present in the final version. The circle you see right above the 39 represents the user's finger. A click is a tap, and that is our swiping gesture down there below to switch between screens. The QR code to the side also would allow you to view this on a mobile device, and they also have an app that lets you view it on a mobile device as well. So I chose to use a scenario to help me frame the user case I wanted to present, so I'll share that with you guys now. Jules is planning a family trip, and she has already purchased and input her flight information and hotel information. Now she is looking for activities to do that are a convenient distance from their hotel. She would like to have an easy-to-reference and ordered list of activities with easy links to pertinent information such as hours, price of admission, peak times, etc. She would then like these to be organized in an easy-to-reference and share itinerary. So Jules would start by tapping on the trip she wants to find information on. Tap. And then she could either swipe to get to the appropriate page, or she could click. From here, she can view her itinerary or learn more about attractions in the Austin, Texas area. And you'll notice that these are things to do near her hotel, which the app has recognized is in downtown Austin. So if she wants to learn more about touring the Texas State Capitol building, she would tap on that button, which would bring her to the attractions page. The application will give her some information about hours, pricing, brief history, and then ask if she would like to go there. Jules can say nope and be taken back to the things to do page, or she can say yep and be taken to a place where she can select the day she would like to go. She can also select add to itinerary, which will add it and just not put it under a specific day, and she'll have to do that later. So let's say yep. Then the app will ask her to choose the day she would like to go. When would you like to go here? She'll choose a day. And then now she'll see in her itinerary, visit the Texas State Capitol building. So, on this itinerary page, she can click the list item for attractions and then be taken to a page that provides a snapshot of the attraction, such as hours, directions, and that'll link directly to this. It'll also, if being viewed on a mobile application, it'll open up in Google Maps so she can get quick and easy directions. She can also add things that aren't necessarily attractions by clicking on the Edit Itinerary button up above. So if she wanted to, say, go visit Uncle Joe, she could input that there and add it, and then when she was all done, she could press the green check mark down at the bottom to be taken back to her finalized itinerary. Once she is all done editing her itinerary, she can go back to things to do or to the trip homepage. So the simple design of the interface utilizes analogical icon forms and buttons with text labels to help guide the user towards achieving their goals. It also uses the instructing and conversing interaction types, which I feel like both contributes to an easily learnable interface where the user has a high degree of control. So that fulfills the goals I had for designing the prototype. Thank you.